Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah, look, I know what you're going to say. It's not Christmas time. We're in March now. We're in spring. Look, the way I see it is this, okay? Christmas time, I had a very, very bad cold. I couldn't speak, my throat. I had the Christmas bug where I couldn't speak, I couldn't say anything. So I wanted to make a video at Christmas time, but I couldn't do it. And I went out and got this hat, and I thought, I can't show the hat. And I didn't want to wait until next year. I really, really didn't want to wait until next year to show the hat. So I'm showing it now in March. I know this is going to look fucking stupid, but so be it. That's how I roll. Yeah, so hope you had a Merry Christmas. Of course, I look like a fucking retard now. Yeah. I think change of hats is appropriate. Now what we're going to talk about. Australia. We'll talk about Australia. I ain't been to Australia. I'd like... This fucking hat's still going off, look. Turn this bitch off 1 minute. Still going off. These things were a bitch to go off. There it is. That's off. It's off now. Saving the old battery power. Yeah. So anyway, just in case you didn't know, there's a guy on YouTube called Shane Dawson. He's an attention whore. I call him a jism monkey because I think that's the best word to describe him. Yeah. Jism monkey. You know, just doing obnoxious shit like that in front of the camera, you know.